back to another video. Come and train my Connemara before the new Swedish horses come out. So I'm obsessed with the new Swedish horses. I keep on thinking they're North Swedish horses, but they're just Swedish horses. So I think they're an updated North Swedish. I am not 100%. I'm not really 100% on everything. I saw a few spoilers on the new Swedish horses, and oh my lord, I'm like obsessed with them. I love them really much. They're really cute. I saw some of the coat colors and they were so freaking pretty. There's like this Palomino paint one, I'm guessing. Yeah, Palomino paint. And oh my lord, it is actually the stunningest horse ever. Like, I'm obsessed. Anyways, I want to talk to you about the Trailblazer. So everyone has different opinions on the new Trailblazer. I think it's okay, I guess. I just don't like that after 12 categories of doing the Trailblazer, I think they're called, you get no points after that, which is a little bit annoying because I love getting the points like throughout the whole Trailblazer, as it just makes it easier for me personally. Yeah, but I really love the set. I think they did a really good job on the set and it's really pretty. I think they've definitely gotten better at the Trailblazer outfits. So this is a Trailblazer, and you used to get plants, but now you get free appearance change coupon, which is pretty nice always. I love that they did a pink background for it. That is like my favorite. Pink is like my favorite color, and I love how they like did it with spring. That's just perfect. I think Trailblazer is okay. I'm just really kind of a bit annoyed about the points. But I'm really happy that we don't get plants anymore, as they just took up space. And having a free change appearance always comes in handy, because I've had wanted to change my character appearance so many times, like change my face shape and everything so many times. But I think right now I'm pretty happy with my character. My character is pretty good. Yeah. So in the shop you could get like a whole new like little outfit thing, but I think they've like stopped on that shop thing. It's a little bit sad. I don't know why they've stopped the little shop thing. We got a little outfit, but it's cool though. So that's all I really wanted to say about the Trailblazer. I do not know what else to say about the Trailblazer, but anyways, it is a pretty good one. So what's your ideas on the Trailblazer? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think the points thing is fair? Not fair? I think it's okay, but a little bit unfair. And it only takes you like 16 days to finish it. It's okay, but I'm not always on starstable nowadays. I don't play as much as I used to, but it's still a nice, really nice game. So anyways, back to Swedish horses. They're really cute. I wonder if they're really tall, because all the other warm bloods were very, very tall. They were very tall, because the Hanoverians were quite tall. The Frisians, they were semi-tall. The new Andalusians, they are quite tall, but they're so beautiful. So I wonder if they're going to be around the same height, oh my god, I fell into a jump, as the Hanoverians or the Andalusians. I don't know, we'll have to wait and see, but I saw some of the coat colours and they're really pretty. So the coat colours I saw was a beautiful black one, which I really liked. Light bay, I think, maybe just a chestnut bay, something around that bay. I think like a cute little chestnut, not too chestnutty, but you get me, you know. And then there was a Palomino paint. I love the Palomino paint. The Palomino paint really reminds me of Gold Rush, this horse that does really big show jumping and stuff. I think they probably based it off Gold Rush, in my opinion. That's what my thinking is. They may have, may not have, but we will see. And do you guys like the new castle? I love it. Personally, it's really cool. I don't have it on this account. I've got it on my other account. I do most things. The castle, it's pretty cool, but I have not gotten any of the outfit. Like, I've just not been up to getting the outfit, in my opinion. It's just not me, really. But I love the races that they have. They're really cool. Sometimes I get a bit stuck on the like wolf race, where you have to race with the wolves to get them exercised. I actually forgot the wolves are called. That one really annoys me, because what do you mean they have to get the blight gone away and do the race at the same time? I've failed that race so many times trying to get the blight. It's annoying, but I think I've got another tactic now, which is pretty good. I love getting tactics, and I love how detailed they had the castle. I'm pretty surprised they would come out with more dragon horses, as last year they brought out 2 dragon horses, Kima and, is that right? Yeah, Kima and Owl Dragon or something. I'm not really so sure. And now there's Fermoir horses. So the Fermoir horses are pretty nice. I really like the sparkly one. The sparkly one's probably my favorite. I love some good sparkles. It's really nice. And the moth horse. I bought the moth horse on my other account, and I'm legit obsessed with it. It is really, really, really well done, and all around it's just a really amazing horse. On my other account, I ride that horse like every day. It's like obsessive. Like, I love riding a horse. It is really pretty, and I love all the horses that came out at the castle. They were all really cool and really amazing. What are your thoughts on them? I love that they had more quests. Like, so many people are like, we need more quests in the game. We need more quests in the game. There you go. There is a quest for you that you can do. So I hope people are happy that they have a few more quests they can do. And I think they need to make the quest board a bit longer. I think there should be more like quests that come out, but we will just have to wait and see. I really hope there is, because I really like it. Anyways, and if you guys want any tips on star coins, on how to save star coins, make another account and just save up all those star coins on that account. That's what I did, and yeah. So how's your star stable experience? I hope it's going good. And I'm sorry I do not post much. I say I'm gonna post, and then I don't post. Like, I'm so sorry about that. Just sometimes I have quite a few things I want to do, and then I don't get around to doing my video. So I'm going to do a video this week about, this will be the video that comes out probably in an hour or so. And thank you for 16 subscribers. I'm amazed, and thank you so much. I love all my subscribers, and hopefully I can get more in the future, because I do love Star Stable and I love doing lots of videos. So I am trying to do more prior extinction videos and e-cost library videos, but that'll come up later. So that's all I'm going to do for now. I will see you guys next week to see and buy one of the Swedish horses. Bye guys, see you next time.